Why do you lack confidence in your driving? Let's go over some common reasons for lack of confidence. Number 1, inexperience and skill gaps. These two go together. New drivers, or those who drive infrequently, they often feel uncertain about their abilities to handle various traffic situations, parking maneuvers, or emergency responses. Without enough practice, basic driving skills don't become automatic, leading to anxiety about making mistakes. Another common factor among some of my students has been past negative experiences. Previous accidents as drivers or even as passengers, near misses, or even harsh criticism from driving instructors or family members can create lasting psychological barriers. These experiences can make people hyper-aware of potential dangers and doubt their judgment on the road. Fear of responsibility and consequences. Driving, of course, involves controlling a potentially deadly machine. Now, some people start out without really feeling fear about driving. These people tend to learn and adapt quicker, then develop a respect for driving and its potential pitfalls over time. But others feel overwhelmed from the get-go by the responsibility for their own safety and that of others. The awareness that a momentary lapse could cause serious harm creates significant pressure. Unfortunately, there are those that never really enjoy any aspect of driving. It's simply a means of necessary transport. I try to get students to think about any aspect of driving they might enjoy. Things such as road trips can be an adventure, an opportunity to spend time with friends and family on the road. Feeling overwhelmed from complex environments. Busy highways, heavy traffic, unfamiliar areas, or challenging conditions like night driving or bad weather can feel overwhelming. The need to process multiple inputs simultaneously while making quick decisions can exceed some people's comfort zone. Over time, with lots of practice in different environments, the complexities of driving do become more manageable. Physical or cognitive concerns. Vision problems, slower reaction times, difficulty with spatial awareness, or concerns about medical conditions can undermine confidence. Some people worry about their physical ability to respond appropriately in challenging situations, and this is a reminder to all drivers. We never know what is going on in someone else's life. We need to remain in control of our emotions around other drivers who seemingly are not driving as well as we think they should be. Let's discuss for a moment social and cultural factors. In some families or communities in other parts of the world, driving isn't emphasized, leading to later starts and increased anxiety when immigrating to another country like ours. In the US, we have a car culture where everyone drives. Some people do not feel they fit in and are being judged by other drivers and worry about appearing incompetent, which creates additional stress. Building driving confidence typically requires gradual but consistent exposure. Driving every day would be ideal, even for 20 minutes. You should practice in low-stress environments, such as driving around your neighborhood and gradually expanding your range. What is not productive, however, is driving round and round in a parking lot or being yelled at by someone who is not an instructor. And sometimes professional instruction is required to address specific skill gaps or anxieties. If you like this video, check out my full driving education playlist in the description below, or comment on anything you would like to add to this topic. I also offer an online course that qualifies for an auto insurance discount, valid with most insurance companies. That link can also be found in the description. Thanks for watching.